everyone, Michael Alm here. This week I am in Chris Salomone's shop and we are building this desk and drawer combo. I'm so excited to work with Chris and it's been so fun to be here this week. Right now we're going to get into the building of the drawers. There is another video on Chris's channel where you can check out the building of the desk.
These little things are so radical.
I think just looking at this grain, it's so vertical and so close.
You can take a piece from here and there and it'd be like, that's pretty close.
Yeah, yeah.
This is always a weird shot too, because I have to follow it. It's like, that's all you can do.
All right, so we've cut all of the pieces. We've cut miters on each side and we've matched up the long grain so that it wraps around the whole cabinet. And then we have rabbets cut out in the back for the back panel. And now it's time for glue up.
Too, because it shifted.
So it's day 2 here in Chris's shop and the cabinet bodies are all built and ready to go. So now the next step is to start building the drawer boxes for them. We're gonna use the Bloom undermounted drawer slides. I'll leave a link down below to these. So these drawer slides are great and I really love using them. One of the issues is that they're very confusing to install and they're mostly confusing because they don't have a great set of instructions. They're made for industry professionals and they're not very user-friendly. Sean Boyd did a really nice video that I'll link to on how to install these properly. One thing that I will say is that I like to do a dry fit, and once I've done all of my measurements and my calculations, I will measure to make sure that my drawer box will comfortably fit in here. In this case, I've done the measurements, it all looks good, so I'm gonna start cutting drawer boxes. All right, so all the parts are cut out for the drawer boxes. We have the sides, the faces, the backs, and the bottoms. And the only difference between the faces and the backs is that the backs are trimmed right at the rabbet lines. I'm gonna start assembling and you'll see how these all go together. So it is the 4th day working here at Chris's shop, and we've been cruising along. He's making great progress on the desk, and I am almost done with the cabinet. So the next step, I've got this sanded up to 220 grit. Now I need to install the hardware. So I've got the clips that go on the underside of the drawer box, and then I'm gonna install the runners. watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.